Okay, it is regarding who it is regarding who is that person who actually helping doing the right kind of job. In today's world of consumerism, where the minimalism is really at stake, we are slaves to our minds. What is this brain called? We are a lot of interesting videos and pleasurable things to have to make our minds and bodies fed with information and food. So our mind is not designed to have food or information. A lot of information and food, that is loaded with that, and that will be decluttering. Sorry, that will be cluttering our minds and make our bodies fatty and bulky. So, what is the need of the hour now? As you can see, it's not a one day problem. Even children are used for this consumerism. There is something called meditation, and there is something called exercise, which is useful for this purpose of you know consuming, in the sense taking the inner inside out. Taking our inside out is more important than always taking outside in. I am giving a video. I am making a video means I am taking the inside out. And whatever that I have inside, that I am putting it on the phone or in the YouTube or in the mobile phone. I am recording it. So the ingredient which is inside me is coming out. I'm least bothered about what others are watching. I am not actually interested in that matter. I am uploading these videos for my future reference. I don't bother about whether somebody is watching it or not. What I am saying here is, don't ever just take a promise now. Take a promise to your buddy or accountable partner, whoever it is, your dear and near ones, or whoever you feel will become accountable, and make sure you need to promise them. We need to promise them. Like, for example, I promise to you, I promise to so and so person, couple, Ramesh, Mukesh, or somebody who is my buddy, or I promise to my wife, Sirisha, that I I am going to make 10 videos per day for 10 days. 10 videos per day for 10 days, minimum 10 minutes. For each video for minimum 10 minutes. Is it clear? 10, 10, 10, 10. Otherwise, you can do it 5, 5, 5, 5. Like 5 minutes video, 5 videos for 5 days for 5,000 rupees. If I can't deliver the promise, I will pay you 5,000 rupees for 5 days. Otherwise, 10 days. Better make it for 10 days. If can't, at least 5 days. Start with 5 days. If you promise like this, what happens here is, it's like, brain exercise. You are putting your brain under work. When you are taking information, it is a passive. You know what is passive, what is proactive measure, active and passive. We thinking reaction is an action. Nobody, no, reaction is not action. And seeing somebody's video, if you are watching, it's a reaction. If you are making your own video, that is called action. That is proactiveness. So what it means to making a video, you need to think. You have to put your muscles of your brain as well as muscles of your body, you have to put it work, and that's where those muscles are strengthened, and those muscles are strengthened, that becomes your part of your unconscious and subconscious part of your mind, that will help you in the future. That will become your nature, and it's so much natural for you to act in the future like that. If I am doing repeatedly this type of videos, it's for my communication muscles to speak actually. When I am speaking, that is so easy for me to speak. Instead of listening 100 videos on how to speak, and listening to Sastarur or somebody who is good at English, that doesn't make us fluent. I'm really telling you, it's my own experience. I have been listening a lot of videos which doesn't make me any skillful to speak in English. So the communication is very much important. So how this communication comes is it will come only through practice. Instead of, there is some inertia in our minds, everybody knows that there is not, it's not a pleasant task for us, for most of us, because it's not so much natural for us. But when you are used to do it like this, by taking the promise, and one day I'm sure, at least for after 1 month or 2 months, or for it might take 6 months as well, but then on you can reap the benefits throughout your life because of this 6 months of foundation which you have made. So you must take this step against the inertia. So this is what I am calling as initiative through inertia. Inertia means the resistance which you feel at the initial stages. So to take the initiative, and you must take the charge of your life and make the promise and commit it with full, and put some reward to that accountant, means accountable partner. That accountable partner, if we will be rewarded at the, if you don't deliver the promise, then he will make sure you are doing the right thing, you are doing the proactive, you are taking the proactive steps. That's very much important in our build up of our strength, building to upgrading our gels. To upgrade our gels means we have to filter out all those unnecessary habits, unnecessary things, and we need to focus. We have to only take one important decision to act on that, by cutting off all the unnecessary activities. That will only happen if we take promise uh, like this. Or anything you think, for example exercise also, if I say I am going to do 10-minute exercise per day for 10 days, otherwise I will give you this much. I will do 10 squats, 10 jumping jacks, um, and 10 whatever you, chin ups, chest ups, and do it after wake up. And I promised you at after wake up I will do it for 10 minutes for 10 days, otherwise I will pay you this much. Forget about results. Process goals is more important than result oriented goals, result oriented promises. The promise is to be process oriented always, because sometimes the result makes us pressurized, but process doesn't makes you pressurized. It will make you, the process is more pleasant thing. Process is a joyful thing, the journey is to be joyful. Never think process result is only the joyful thing. No, result is the only temporary thing. If you get the results, you will get the relief of the pressure, that you feel little bit pleasure, but that isn't actually pleasure. But when you are doing the activity, and if you are you can be pleasurized in that process. So be present and plagiarized in the process. So for that you must take the promise of uh, processed goals, processed deliveries, like 10 minutes today, 10 minutes tomorrow, and like that. That will make you your habit strong, as well as you it will become your part of conscious and subconscious and unconscious activity for you, which you no need to apply any effort, and it's so easy and so natural for us to act. When after wake up, we'll do the brushing part, we'll do brush, everyone do the brush. They don't plan for brushing, but they are doing it because of that is now our unconscious part of our activity. So that is called autopilot mode. So for that matter, take it, take this processed promises, and where you will be, okay, really good at it. The same way, you must ensure reading something. For example, when I am going to read a newspaper, particularly regarding the current events, there is some app, like I find it, where you can see. I will tell you the app name. It's so good app, actually. What is this app? Okay, the app name is Daily Editorial. It's Daily Editorial, that app, and in which you find current affairs, editorials, and analysis. And it's so good app, and I find it useful. So I suggest you this thing. And if I say, you see, I will read out the, as there is the current affairs, like aspirant world one liners, 31st January, in which the Reliance Jio joint venture of billionaire Mukesh Ambani has become the world's fifth strongest brand. Now it lags behind brands such as Ferrari and Coca-Cola. The Jio company achieved this milestone in just 4 years. The ranking is provided by the top 500 brand finance rankings for 2021 of the strongest brands. This ranking determines the relative strength for brand. The UK has launched a new global platform to track new COVID-19 variants. The platform will provide world-leading genomics expertise from the country to identify new variants of the virus. The Indian government is ready to submit the 2021 Union Budget on February 1st, 2021. This year, the budget will focus on extra budgetary borrowing to reduce the fiscal deficit. Any loan directly obtained by a public institution other than the center is called extra budgetary borrowings. Public institutions borrow under the guidance of the central government. These loans are used to meet government spending needs. The United Nations released a report entitled Aging Water Infrastructure and Emerging Global Risks, which involved the aging of India's dams. The report was edited by the United Nations University's Institute of Water, Environment and Health in Canada. The decommissioning or aging of dams in the United States, Canada, France, Japan, India, Zambia, and Zimbabwe were analyzed. The Union Cabinet has cleared the policy for privatization of public sector enterprises. Detailed information about this policy will announced in the forthcoming alliance budget to be submitted on February 1st, 2021. The policy will provide a roadmap for the existence of government-owned entities in strategic and non-strategic areas. This policy is part of the Atmanirbhar Bharat package announced by the Minister of Finance in May 2020. Indonesia's most active volcano, Mount Merapi, erupted with lava rivers and had hot gas clouds. Lava and clouds flew 1600 meters from the slope. This is the largest lava flow on Mount Merapi. The sound of the eruption was heard 30 kilometers away. The last large-scale eruption of the Mount Merapi was in 2010, killing 347 people. Mount Merapi is a volcano in Indonesia and Java. Intergovernmental negotiations framework. India, the Parliament the permanent representative of India to the United Nations said that 13 years have passed since the start of the government negotiations. The UN Security Council has found itself unable to take effective actions to resolve international peace and security issues due to its lack of inclusiveness. Central Board of Direct Taxes and Commission Customs (CBIC) celebrates International Customs Day on 26 January 2021. International Customs Day (ICD) is held on January 26 each year to recognize the role of customs officials and agencies in maintaining border security. It focuses on the working conditions and challenges faced by customs officers in their work. It was initiated by the World Customs Organization. National Informatics Center Services Incorporated celebrates its Silver Jubilee celebration. NICSI is a public sector enterprise under the National Informatics Center of the Ministry of Electronics and Technology, Government of India. NICSI was established in 1996 to provide end-to-end IT solutions for e-governance projects for central government, state governments, and other PSUs across India. The Prime Minister will speak at the Davos Dialogue of the World Economic Forum. World Economic Forum is an international non-governmental organization founded in 1971 and headquartered in Cologne, Switzerland. Formerly known as European Management Forum, it was renamed the current forum in 1987. The Prime Minister of India hosted 35th edition of Proactive Governance and Timely Implementation, Pragati, a multimodal platform-based information and communication technology involving central and state governments. 10 projects with a total investment of 10 rupees were reviewed, 0.54675 million. Also commented on Pradhan Mantri Bharati Jan Ashudhi Pariyojana. India signed a strategic partnership framework agreement with the International Energy Agency. The Memorandum of Understanding aims to strengthen cooperation on global energy security, stability, and sustainability. It will also facilitate extensive knowledge exchange between the two. The International Holocaust Remembrance Day was held on January 27 at Bengaluru International Center. To celebrate the International Holocaust Remembrance Day, a small ceremony was organized and commemorative candles were lit by priests of various religious groups. The ceremony was organized according to the theme of the United Nations, facing the aftermath, recovery, and reconstitution after the Holocaust. This is the one-liners about current affairs. As same way, if you see the editorials as well, that will be good for us. And you can see here, there is some ad because of that. But anyhow, I'm going to close it within seconds. The editorials, you can find those editorials in other things as well. Yes, this editorial is on February 2, 2021. Getting back on track on Union Budget 2021. It is I'm going to read it out now. In times that called for deft stewardship of the economy, this year's budget is a starting point. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman made a brave effort to make good use of the lessons learned from the unprecedented global health crisis and ensure economic setback to put lives and livelihoods back on track. There is greater spending on healthcare and some fiscal push to undergird the struggling demand in the public hit economy. But this is no transformative budget that lives up to the heightened expectations of a very population waiting for manna from the government. A lot more could have been done to address the chronic investment in India's public health infrastructure by appreciably raising expenditure. The Union Budget for 2021, let's wait for a while now. Okay, let us see.